Malo.
Welcome to another poultry farm update. Today I want to talk about biosecurity in your farm. Biosecurity means that you need to prevent diseases from getting into your farm. Number one, you need a food bath. So you can see here in front of the house, we have a food bath there. Now in this food bath you put water and you buy this Carol. I don't know if you can zoom it in. You buy Carol, then you place it in water, place it there. So what people will be doing after you place the Carol, when a customer comes, visiting, maybe is buying or anything, you dip your foot inside so that all the germs that are outside, you're able to remain at that particular point. So this food bag is very, very, very important in your farm. Then number two, you need to sanitize your hands. So here you have just placed water inside the this spray. This is a hand spray. Like this one is just a 1 liter hand spray. This goes for around 250 or less, depending on where you are. Then have your disinfectant here. You normally use Biosafe. So Biosafe, when you fill that 1 liter, you just take this cup of it, pour, and then you pour inside, shake it, so that when a client, after he steps on the foot bath, you sanitize him in the hands, so that if his hands have diseases that can affect your poultry, you're able to get rid of that. So that is very important. So as a farmer, ensure for biosecurity you have a hand spray, you have a disinfectant, you have Noroclens, you have vitamins to Biosafe disinfectant. So the foot bath you can do with the coral, very, very strong disinfectant for the foot bath. Otherwise, see you in the next one. If you have any questions, please engage us in the comment section. Share this video to other farmers so that we are able to make our farms safer. Otherwise, you can find me on Facebook, Felix Nikoya Shiundu. You can also find me on Instagram as Shiundu Felix. I'm in Kenya. You can find me on WhatsApp, plus 254 723 823 770. I repeat, plus 254 723 823 770. Otherwise, let me just leave you. As you check, just move closer. Just show them the other side. Otherwise, we are still doing well. Any questions about guinea fowls? Any questions about turkeys, pure kienyeji, broiler sasso? You ask us. Otherwise, see you in the next one. We are out.